Hi, I'm Michael, and I'm a representative of Tree Stake Solutions. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our ground hook anchors. We're going to take our 3-foot strap and wrap it around the trunk of our tree. Thread both ends through your PB buckle and tie a simple granny knot to secure. Next, tie an overhand knot at the end of your 9-foot strapping. Slide it through the slot of your ground hook anchor until secure. With anchor in hand, you are either going to slide your drive rod or your slide hammer into the 1/2-inch hole in the back of your anchor. Position your anchor away from the tree and pound it into the ground roughly 24 to 36 inches. Pull up on your strap to set the anchor. Finally, thread your strap through the back of your PB buckle and pull until desired tension. Repeat 2 more times and you have now fully staked your tree.